Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Nextdoor how to add another neighborhood. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add another neighborhood, what you need to do is simply get over and open up your Nextdoor app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then in order to add a neighborhood, what you need to do is just simply select the neighborhood that you are currently in, and then on the filter by option simply select the nearby option. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and look for the neighborhood that is near to you, and then on there you can tap on this three dot icon right here, and from there you'll be provided with options to follow and unfollow neighborhood and select neighborhood as well, and you can toggle on the neighborhoods you like to follow or tap on add a neighborhood option if available. And some neighborhoods are automatically suggested based on your home location, and you can officially belong to one home neighborhood but you can't follow others nearby. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.